There is a place for excellence in any industry, sophistication of thought, refinement of process, superiority of creation. It comes from knowing every detail, every element, how they all connect. At Velcro Companies Medical, we know the business from start to finish, inside and out. We provide the kind of partnership that brings the clinical, the technical, and the aesthetic into one place, seamlessly, efficiently, beautifully. We offer our services every step of the way, supported by state-of-the-art technology and ultra-modern facilities. Our centers across the globe help us to easily connect and work with our customers, no matter where they are located. From research and development to the logistical expertise needed to speed your products to market without a glitch, our clients come to us with ideas, and together we find solutions, ways to differentiate in the marketplace, ways to care a little more for patients. Our name is legendary, but we've never stopped innovating, branching far beyond our iconic hook and loop beginnings, earning hundreds of patents, and becoming leaders in medical device manufacturing. Whether you're Fortune 10 or just getting started, our partnership will lead you to the things you need, the right people, the right products. Our insider know-how makes it easy. Our insight makes it better for you, your customers, and the people they care for. There is a place for excellence, and that place is Velcro Companies Medical.